Hey everyone, I'm Brian, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install the RoadActive Suspension kit on your Ford F-150. It's simple and only takes about 45 minutes. Come on back and I'll show you how it's done. This F-150 is a 2014 four-wheel drive. It does some light to moderate towing. You could call it a weekend warrior of hauling, and it needs a little extra support. The cool thing about RAS is that it'll make your towing much smoother and won't impact your unloaded ride. For this install, we only needed a few tools. We grabbed an impact drill, a 14mm socket, a 3/4 inch socket, and a 24mm wrench. We secured our wheels with chocks, and now we can lift up the truck and take off wheels. Today we're installing a 3611 YHD. If you have a 2011 to 2014 four-wheel drive F-150 and your kit comes with these bump stop displacers, you can set them aside. You won't need them. We shortened each kit for packaging purposes, so we lengthened the kit to fit the leaf spring by spinning the gold threaded rod out of the RAS spring. We also made sure this hook went over the rear part of the leaf spring. When we attached our axle connecting brackets, we chose the farthest hole from the coil. If you're close to maxing out your payload capacity, use the second or third hole to improve the leverage and add a little bit of extra strength output. Our kit has a range of adjustability. Once you find that right tension setting, you should never have to readjust it. This truck typically handles light to moderate weight and never reaches near its payload capacity, so we set the tension to a loose-fitting white disc. After it was all said and done, the install from start to finish only took about 35 minutes. We took the truck out, and it immediately felt so much better. It was more stable and minimized the rebound from every bump, pothole, and sharp turn. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions about our kit or just want to check us out, go to our website at activesuspension.com.